mirar la luna, la 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 la.
Hi guys, welcome back to another channel. Before we proceed to our current video, let's start first with an important disclaimer that this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research and do not invest money you cannot afford to lose, as cryptocurrency is highly volatile and risky. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. Hi guys, as you can see here, I have here the We Digital. Welcome to We Digital. This is a decentralized Web3 DeFi EVM engine in BNB Smart Chain. And this is by Ethereum Virtual Machine and Network BEP20. And We Digital is not just a platform. It is a global financial ecosystem built 100% on the blockchain, and we were born with a clear purpose to democratize access to DeFi with maximum security, transparency, and automation. We connect everyday people to high frequency algorithm liquidity, transforming the complexity of the crypto market into accessible passive yields. So, what is the foundation of our technology, and what is DeFi, and how do we use smart contracts? And this is the traditional financial market that relies on banks, managers, and middlemen. It runs on 100% automation, zero human intervention, and mathematical precision. So, how does we digital profit in the real market? We own a 50 million liquidity dollar pool operating within the giant pancake swap. We make our trading pairs, examples like USDT and BNB, available to the global public. And for our contracts, we have here the gateway or the We Gateway or the liquidity portal. When you purchase a package from We Digital, your money doesn't go into director's bank account. It's received by our first official smart contract, which is the We Gateway. And with this, you will have automatic routing connected to your network. Next is the financial engine, and this is the pool or the high caliber liquidity. This is the heart of our protocol, where the magic of the market happens. Your capital joins our global ecosystem to provide liquidity to pancake swap traders. And this solidifies the structural solidity of your network. Next, we have the wealth distribution or WeFlow. And this is the yield algorithm. The fees, approximately 2% up to 4%, are generated in the pool and are collected and managed by WeFlow, our smart distribution contact. And this is absolute sustainability. WeFlow is programmed to remove only the exact and necessary liquidity to execute the payment of your daily ROI, referral bonuses, and network rewards. It never pays out more than the system has generated. Next, we have the Mark Pancake Swap contract between We Digital and Pancake Swap in dual engine protocols. And this is has approximately 3% up to 5% of profit, tax income, and transaction fee whenever swapped with USDT versus BTCB. And deposit $50 million in liquidity pool between We Digital and PancakeSwap and dual engine protocol. So we have also our two gateway liquidity pools between liquidity pool and profit pool, which is the $50 million PancakeSwap pool and the $2 million profit bonus pool. So for our security, of course, we value your security here in WeFlow. This is the decentralization and its freedom. When investing in the We Digital protocol, your money is not under human custody. It goes directly into the smart contract, being recorded, validated, and distributed automatically. And this is for verifiability. Your daily, weekly, and monthly earnings are 100% transparent and verifiable on the public blockchain. And immutability. This is the power of Web3. No one can touch your money and no one can turn off the system. As long as the blockchain exists, We Digital will continue operating and distributing yields. Next, we have also our affiliate program, We Digital DeFi Condition, which is at 100% up 110% up to 300% cap. And this is also at smart contract and the return of investment is up to 3.21%. And minimum deposit from 50 USDT, minimum withdrawal from $0.1, and daily bonuses will reflected from next day. And all reflected bonus will go to your own wallet immediately. So for Web3 DeFi with digital highlight, we have the zero transaction fee, no need to press withdrawal button, and all related bonuses will go through your own wallet. So for our ROI daily bonus, it is currently at 3.21%. And this is the table that represents that exact graph. So for our Wii ticket guys, the algorithm releases only 200 Wii tickets per day for the entire network. And to qualify, you just have to be the We Digital official members or non-members, or early bird will get $5.5 per day but only limit 200 tickets. So for our direct or indirect referral bonus, which is at 13%, here is our corresponding levels and corresponding referral bonus, and also how to unlock those specific levels. And it is direct referral bonus, including the indirect referral. And for our We Leader ROI Bank matching bonus, we have our corresponding We Leaders here. We Leader 1, We Leader 2, We Leader 3, up to We Leader 4, up to 28 levels, volume up to $500,000, and sales condition up to $250,000 times 2 line. And this is at bonus to 21%. ROI rank matching bonus will effective continue when you get ranked up to the level 28. And okay, for We Digital, our connection to the future of money, the liquidity pool is already active. The yield is growing with each new swap. The WeFlow algorithm is monitoring. So in order for you to connect to the future, you just click this, and then we move together. And that's it for our video, guys. Hope you understand this specific WeFlow, guys. And thank you for watching, and see you again for another video, and goodbye. I'm done.